everyone! Welcome to Garden Decor Designs, where we transform ordinary outdoor spaces into extraordinary havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are soaring above the streets to talk about one of the most magical ways to utilize urban space, the small rooftop garden. But what exactly does this mean? A small rooftop garden is a man-made green space located on the topmost level of a residential or commercial building, designed specifically for areas with limited square footage. Unlike a sprawling estate garden, a small rooftop garden is an exercise in creativity and efficiency. It is a curated collection of plants, seating, and decor that transforms a flat, often ignored concrete surface into a functional living environment. Whether it's just a few pots on a balcony or a fully decked-out terrace, it represents the perfect marriage between architecture and nature. Having a small rooftop garden offers a wealth of benefits that go far beyond just looking pretty. Firstly, it serves as a vital environmental tool in urban settings by reducing the urban heat island effect. The plants absorb sunlight and provide natural cooling for the building below. Beyond the ecology, it provides a private sanctuary for your mental health. In the hustle and bustle of city life, having a personal green lung, where you can breathe fresh air and enjoy quietude, is priceless for stress reduction. Furthermore, these gardens can act as a hobby space where you can grow your own organic herbs and vegetables, ensuring you have fresh produce right at your doorstep. It also increases the property value and aesthetic appeal of your home, making a small investment in soil and seeds pay off significantly in the long run. Decorating a small rooftop garden requires a strategic approach to make the space feel larger and more inviting. To start, think about verticality. Use wall-mounted planters, trellises, or living walls to draw the eye upward and save precious floor space. When it comes to furniture, opt for multifunctional pieces like benches with built-in storage or foldable bistro sets that don't overcrowd the area. Lighting is the secret ingredient for beauty. Stringing fairy lights or installing solar-powered floor lamps can transform the roof into a romantic evening getaway. Try to stick to a cohesive color palette for your pots and cushions, perhaps earthy terracottas or sleek modern grays, to create a sense of harmony. Finally, adding a small water feature or a high-quality outdoor rug can provide that luxury resort feel, making the concrete disappear under layers of texture and style. Choosing the right plants is crucial because rooftops are often exposed to high winds and intense, direct sunlight. You want hardy survivors that don't mind a bit of drama. Succulents and cacti are excellent choices for sunny spots because they store water and require minimal maintenance. For a lush look, ornamental grasses like blue fescue or fountain grass add movement and privacy as they sway in the breeze. If you're looking for color, marigolds and petunias thrive in containers and can handle the heat. For those who want a functional garden, woody herbs like rosemary, thyme, and lavender are perfect because they love the drainage provided by pots and the full sun of a roof. If your rooftop has a sturdy structure, consider small dwarf fruit trees or lemon trees in large, heavy pots to add height and a touch of the Mediterranean to your skyline. Building a small rooftop garden is about more than just placing a few pots outside. It's about reclaiming your slice of the sky. It's an opportunity to create a peaceful retreat where you can watch the sunset, sip your morning coffee, and feel a little more connected to the earth, even when you're several stories up. With the right layout and a selection of hardy, beautiful plants, any flat roof can become the crown jewel of a home. We hope these tips have inspired you to look at your outdoor space with fresh eyes and see the green potential waiting to be unleashed. If you enjoyed this guide to small rooftop gardening, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration. We want to hear from you. What is the one plant you would absolutely have in your dream rooftop garden? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a transformation, and we will see you in the next video.